Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1918, a letter from a homesick soldier was printed in the Virginia Gazette. Mr. H.E. Bennett writes to thank the editor of the paper for sending Williamsburg news overseas and responds with what he was experiencing in France. He opens by describing his accommodations in an old stone barn just outside a picturesque village. He recalls how new recruits arrive nightly by train and are greeted by American volunteers of the YMCA, who serve hearty sandwiches and, quote, the best hot coffee ever. He lists the names of other men from Williamsburg who were deployed at nearby camps and how he and the others passed the time with lectures, concerts, and Sunday afternoon ball games, all while waiting to go to the front. He comments on the daily realities of war and encourages his friends here in Williamsburg to keep the home fires burning. His message concludes with heartfelt patriotism and the longing to return home and get back to work at the old college. The entire letter, written by Mr. H.E. Bennett, can be found online at archivewilliamsburg.org. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.